Anika.
What a fun day to learn the names of some fruits and vegetables. Let's explore and discover together.
What do you call this fruit? Is it a pear? An apple? Or a banana? It's an apple. What do you call this fruit? Is it a melon? A grape? Or an orange? It's an orange. What do you call this fruit? Is it a banana? A lemon? Or a watermelon? It's a banana. What do you call this fruit? Is it a berry? A cherry? Or a papaya? It's a cherry. What do you call this fruit? Is it a mango? A peach? Or a lemon? It's a lemon. What do you call this fruit? Is it a kiwi? Blueberry? Or a banana? Blueberry! What do you call this fruit? Is it a grape? Peach? Or lemon? It's peach! Let's learn some more! Choose the letter of the correct vegetable. Which one is the onion? A, B, or C? It's letter C. Which of these is the tomato? A, B, or C? It's letter B. Which of these is the pumpkin? A, B, or C? It's letter A. Which one is the garlic? A, B, or C? It's letter C. Which one is the broccoli? A, B, or C? It's letter A. What about the peas? A, B, or C? It's letter C. Do you know what a kale is? A, B, or C? It's letter A. Let's play a matching game this time. Ready? This is a strawberry. What is the color of this fruit? Is it red? Purple? Or orange? It's red! This is a mango. What is the color of this fruit? Green? Pink? Or yellow? It's yellow! These are grapes. What is the color of this fruit? Is it brown? Purple? Or blue? It's purple! This is a carrot. Do you know the color of this vegetable? Is it yellow? Orange? Pink? It's orange! This is a spinach. What is the color of this vegetable? Red? Purple? Or green? It's green! This is a coconut. Do you know the color of this fruit? Is it pink? Red? Green? It's green? This is a papaya. What is the color of this fruit? Is it orange? Purple? Or green? It's orange! This is an eggplant. Do you know what color this vegetable is? Is it blue? Green? Or purple? It's purple? You've done a great job, kids! I hope you learned a lot while having fun with these really cool games. If you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll know when a new lesson is up. Share this video to your friends. I'm sure they'll love it too. Until next fun and exciting games, kids! See you soon!
Teacher Anika.